Hello, this is a list review. This list is a list that Casper, Casper and Michael Christiansen developed. They are working on seeing how you can make Italians competitive, especially minded maybe towards the Danish nationals, although this is not the list that they're bringing. Either of them? Sorry. I'm cooking while I'm talking. This is not the list either of them is bringing for the Danish nationals. They're just playing around with ideas. This list is an Italian tank platoon. It's got 12 order dice, 999 points, which is good. I feel like 12 order dice is maybe like where you should be when you're running tank platoons, especially when you have this many vehicles, because they have a lot of vehicles in this list. And I'll go through the list. There are some things that I find maybe doesn't work for me, but we can talk about that when we go. Let's start with one of the things that I find is weird, and that is they're using the command vehicle, the Caro command vehicle. It's 135 points for a 9+ vulnerable command vehicle, and it only has an HMG, hull mounted HMG. That's too many points for an HMG. I'm just saying it. It's way too many points. Yes, it is a good idea to have a command vehicle in a tank platoon, but this one, I would go somewhere else if I were you. Just saying. It costs the same as a Dhaka Steward. That's not worth it. Then we have, although you do not have to pay for the command vehicle option because it's already included, but that's only 25 points worth of something, right? I don't find it worth it. Then we have two L6s. L640, that is a turret-mounted flamethrower, coaxial MMG, very, very nice. Tracked, vulnerable, one-man turret, all of that, but it's a flamethrower tank. I like it. It's really, really killy. And then two M14s, which is the Italian Dhaka tanks, right? It has a light anti-tank gun, and it has 3 MMGs, so 15 machine gun shots. 2 of those. So that is 4 decent tanks, 8+. All of them are vulnerable, but they are really, really killy. Some of them with the machine gun shots, and some of them with the flamethrowers. All of them can hurt other vehicles. The light anti-tank gun is not bad. So that is the vehicle park here. And the only thing that I question is the Caro command vehicle. I don't think that's worth it. I would choose something else. Maybe another M14 tank. They also cost 135 points. Although you do need to find 25 points for the command vehicle then. So, right. The infantry. Only 2 infantry choices. You can have 3. I think you should have 3, but there are a lot of teams here, so maybe you can get away with it. And they're running late war paratroopers, which is a brilliant and very, very competitive choice. Although I know that Caspar would not to do this because they're Republican, right? He mostly runs his Italians as axes. So they have 5 submachine guns and a Panzerfaust. So 5-man units, very small, veteran, very, very good, but also kind of squishy, and there's not many bodies. That's 10 men in your infantry choices. And that is one of the issues that tank platoons have. They are infantry light, and this one is very light on infantry, right? Then the teams, there's a light mortar, very cheap, extra dice. Very effective for what it can do. I like that. A flamethrower team, very, very good. A sniper team, very, very good. And 2 trucks. Could this work? Yes, I think it could. Although I would change that Caro. And if you can find something cheaper, fine. Maybe think about putting an armored car type in. The Sariana is really good. If you can, I'm not sure you can. And then maybe a few more bodies in those paraduty squads would be nice if you have the points for that. Otherwise, I wouldn't change a thing. I like it. I like it that there is not so many infantry-borne flamethrowers in this list. That's really, really nice. So, yeah, that's my review of an Italian tank platoon. Cheers.